I've been broke, I've been stressed, and I've been in positions where I was trying to find products all in the wrong places. I'm talking about AliExpress, Alibaba, and more. In this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm shipping to thousands of my students, and everything is coming from the United States of America. Now, if you're a reseller or looking to get into reselling, you know how difficult it is to be able to get products. Not just any product though, a product that you can comfortably list on sites like eBay, Amazon, Mercari, OfferUp, and Facebook. What I've done is I've created a phone store, I've wholesale warehouses, I've been able to build my businesses the right way. Now I had hiccups with replicas and I've lost a bunch of money with not chargebacks, but instead Apple itself. So I've learned my lesson and I teach resellers like you how to avoid the mistakes that I've made. Now, if you're somebody looking to build and also profit, this reseller's kit that I'm about to package to ship to a student is something you're going to want to watch out for. Now, the reseller kit is going to come in a box that is just like this, okay? Now, I don't want to show the label, but it is literally just like this, a long box that you will be getting with products in it for you to be able to resell. If you're somebody out there that is listing on eBay, you know about the copyright violations. If you're shipping on Amazon, you know about the restrictions. If you're shipping on Mercari, you know the dreaded Mercari takedowns. But all of these products you're gonna see today are products you can actually list, sell, and keep doing the same thing. I have a website, wesply.com. This website not only gives you access to this kit, but also access to a whole bunch of wholesale products that are trending. I don't list products that are just there to sell. I list products that are actually making money. If you're looking to most importantly profit and also be able to learn bunches of reselling tips and tricks, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe. Now, again, my name is Brandon Jones. I help you make an extra income stream, and if you comment on this video and the rest of the videos that I drop up until the week of the 20th of December, you will be entered into a giveaway where I'll be giving away products, 30 to be exact, to the person that is picked in the randomizer. I'm gonna go live, so make sure you turn on your bell so you're notified when I go live of that week, but you have to make sure you're subscribed, you have the bell turned on, and of course, the more you comment, the more times your name will be put into the raffle. Now, let's get into packing this box so this student can make the most out of their profit. Now, the box is going to be filled with $850 worth of products, and I'm going to show you exactly each detailed product that we'll be putting in the box. So, the first product that we're going to talk about is going to be charging cables. I recommend selling these because these are what I call low ticket products, and low ticket products get you ratings. They get you money on compound progression when it comes to you selling multiple or even bundling them. I like to bundle chargers in 3, 12, 10, and 6-piece bundles. Now, each charger right here, we sell for around $2.16. We even will sell this whole pack if we want. But starting out, when you get your reseller's kit, you are going to want to list and sell at least every charging cable in here for at least $2.16, which will net you $43, as every reseller's kit comes with 20 cables in it. And the beautiful thing about this is we don't count the 20 against your whole product total. We count 20 cables as 10 cables in every reseller's kit. We want to equip you guys with the necessary tools for you to be able to get good reviews so customers show that you are a quality brand and you can sell more than just chargers after that. So we're going to put this in the box. I'm going to put the box down because it is going to get heavy. Okay, so the next product that we're going to be discussing is going to be the 3-in-1 magnetic charging pad. Now, this magnetic charging pad has resurfaced and been selling really well. We were selling this about 6 months ago and it was fairly new to us. We didn't know what to expect. Well, it has started booming. And what you get exactly with this is you're going to get a pad that does charge Apple Watches and your phone, but also AirPods, and it can charge them all at the same time. It also has an indicator light where it shows you exactly what item is charged to full capacity. Now, this is something that sells really well because it is TSA approved. People love this, especially businesses that are traveling. You're going to always hear me say you're wanting to sell to businesses over regular consumers all the time, because businesses have budgets that they need to spend for times just like this, the end of the year, when you want to claim your taxes and write off so you can actually avoid having to pay. You want to spend money as a business. Make sure they're spending money with you. This is a good product. And of course, look at the packaging. Packaging is very, very nice. If you have a store, it comes with the cling as well, and you will be getting 3 of these. Now, 3 of these is great to start out with because yes, they do sell, but again, you want to sell them around $13.50 on eBay, Mercari, or you can even bundle them. And this is going to get you $40 right off the rip, especially if you list it right when you get your kit. Now, this student is going to love this kit because not only is it going to make sure that he makes money, but he's going to have a wide variety of items to be able to sell. Now, the next thing we're going to do is let's put 3 charging adapters in the box. Now, these are going to range with MHA. So MHA is basically going to be the power that it puts out to the device. So the way they tell me in the wholesale industry is the higher the MAH is, the more it will charge a device. We're going to put a 10,000 MAH portable charger. We're going to put a 20,000 MAH portable charger. And then we're going to put a 12,000 MAH portable charger. Now, these portable chargers sell great because these are convenience buys. So customers usually buy this for convenience. If you're looking at the packaging, all of our chargers have really good packaging. And not just that, they are really high quality. I pay a good amount of money for these. They are usually going to be sealed. So this is sealed from the bottom. You can open it from the top. When you open it from the top, you get to see the charger. Now, I'm not gonna open all of them, but these all have LED displays, so you can see this digitally. And they charge iPhones, Androids, they take Lightning Type-C, and they take the micro SD as well for all of these. This can charge an iPhone for up to 3 times. This 20 mAh can charge it up to 6, I believe. And then the 12, if I'm not mistaken, like 4.5 times, okay? So we'll put these in the box. Now, these charging power banks, you want to at least sell them beginning and starting out for at least $14. We sell these way higher. I'm talking about in the 20s. Just starting out, you may want to get the ball rolling. $14 is fine. You're going to get $42 selling all 3 of these. And that is a good amount, especially for a kit that you're only spending $250 for. Next, in every box, we want to make sure we are putting a trending product in there. These are going to be iPhone 17 cases. We have the iPhone 17 Pro Max case and the iPhone 17 Pro case. These are the cases we're selling the most of, and these we sell for around $8.50 on places like OfferUp, Facebook, even eBay. Now, you're able to sell these, but not just that, you're going to be able to make money because these are going to sell since people are getting Christmas gifts, new devices, and trading in their old devices as well. So you're going to make a total of around $17 just off of these 2 cases that you'll be able to put into your profit bucket. Next, charging stand. The charging stands are really nice. I like packaging, and I also like that people find this convenient at their desk, which means you can reach business clientele. Any product that can get you in front of a business owner, a financial advisor, you want to make sure you're shipping fast and you are curating that lead or that relationship. This we sell for around $10.50. You are going to get 1 of these because these are pretty expensive. We're going to put 1 in the packaging or in the kit right now. This is going to be something you'll be able to build off of, especially if it sells fast. Just order more and keep doing it until you find that right business client that loves the quality, and they'll be like, hey, I want to order 500 pieces or even 30 pieces. And you'll be able to make more money just off of sales, selling things just like this. RGB cables. These are cables that light up, tell you when your device is fully charged based on the color, tell you when it's charging based on the color. These are trending. You can look it up on eBay right now. These are selling really well. We start out selling these for $7.50. You sell these for $7.50, you're gonna get $30 because we're gonna put 4 in your box. Now, again, the packaging is superb. I love the packaging and has that cling again, but if you look and if you see 60 watt, which means it's a fast charging cable, this is an indestructible cable. This is a really good sell. I've got so many good reviews off of this, and it does not cost that much money. And again, you're getting this in your kit. The kit costs $250. You're going to be able, off of these alone, to make $30 just selling 4 of these. Adapters. more so Type-C adapters or dual adapters are what we will put in your packaging. Now, we have two options, right? We either put our AAA OEM cables, which look just like this, has the arrow tab where you have to pull off to open it. Very, very beautiful packaging. Or we'll do the dual adapter. Now, I haven't found a AAA dual adapter right now that actually is good quality in my opinion. So I only have the regular generic ones. So we will put some in your case. We're gonna put 5 in this student's box right now. And this is gonna be something that you'll be able to really get customers off of, as this is a need. It doesn't come in an Apple box, and they charge $40 to $30 in stores like AT&T and Verizon. Now, something just like this, you're going to be able to charge $10.50. And if you bundle, you can charge even more. You'll be able to make off of the 5, you're gonna get $52.50 projected off of just selling these. And again, you wanna use platforms like Mercari, OfferUp, Facebook, and even eBay. Now we're dwindling down, so we're going to go really big. We're putting 5 of the maxes. Every reseller's kit will have these in the box. Have no fear. This is going to be one of the best sellers and also the most lucrative products that you have. You're going to be able to sell these for a really good price, but starting out, we recommend just selling them for $60. Now, we sell them upward $90 to $120. But starting out, just sell them for $60. It's all about getting your money from the reseller's kit first, then reinvesting, then profiting, in that order. So you're gonna be able to make around $350 because we put 5 of these in the box. 5. If you get 5 of these, and usually they're not even blue, they're usually black, but of course, me filming this is the heat of the holiday season. We have been selling these like hotcakes. So you'll probably get a blue or black, okay? Now, this is a really good product, not only because it is not a real max and people may want to get the real max feel or look, but because this is quality. It operates just like the regular ones do. They pull up on the iPhone just like the regular Maxes do. Customers, no complaints. They seem to love this. And also, we have a high retention and also a really high conversion rate on these Maxes. Lastly, let's talk about the Gen 2 clones. Now, these don't have any Apple logos, nor do the Maxes. We make sure that we don't put any type of branded product that could hurt your brand or even get your platform taken down. Now, these are literally the real deal. We love selling these. We sell these for $60 all the way up to $90, but we're gonna project that you'll sell your first 5 for $50 at least. Now, you sell these for $50, of course, you're making $250. And look, guys, these are beautiful, okay? You can take the plastic off. We choose to keep it on. It maintains the color of the case, makes it look like a little luxurious feel. I love these. These sell well. You don't have anything to worry about. Now, there's no writing on the box. There's no anything, no Apple anywhere, but it does look very, very similar. This is going to be a box that, again, our customer is going to not only enjoy, but be able to profit from. And again, that is the most important thing. This box is going to get you $835 minimum, literally just doing the pricing that we just told you. Now, all boxes don't come with the same products, but they come with the same amounts and just a roundabout type of product. So what we'll do is we'll try to interchange the trending products. Sometimes instead of sending those direct adapters or power banks, we may send other ones, but we have the same structure. It's all about what's selling now. How do we know what's selling now? We have a service called eBay Automation where we list, ship, and provide products for over 500 people right now as we speak. So we can see in the market of Mercari and eBay what's selling on multiple platforms. We're talking about people that are overseas, people that are in the United States. So we get a lot of data on a daily basis. So we can see what is gonna sell, what's not, and we make sure we send you a kit that is gonna give you profit and also products you can actually continue to sell, continue to get, so you're not hitting or running into any type of walls. If you guys love this video or like or find this helpful, please make sure you guys go ahead and like this video. Again, you can get this at wespoi.com. These are resellers kits. We have a 30-piece and a 50-piece. The 30-piece is what I just showed you. That's $250. The 50-piece is going to be $320, and it comes with twice as many products that we just showed you. Now, If you're looking to start growing, start making money, you're going to want to invest in yourself. And I'm not talking about with just my products. I'm saying stop being scared starting that business if you haven't. Stop being scared starting reselling or getting uncomfortable, because a lot of us being comfortable is holding us back. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.